got so many remedy and medicines out there, ointment and other sprays for the mosquito bites, right? I live in Florida. Almost every day there's a mosquito attack. And people don't know what to do about it. So people buy cortisone 10 is one of the popular one. I even get one from Korea called like a same thing, same idea about the mosquito bite. But you know what? The best thing I found out that works the best at home remedy wise is just hot water. Once you boil the water, just follow me. So easy, so simple. The mosquito bite will go away within seconds. Dip the spoon inside, make it a little hot, but still just make sure that it's not too hot. Oh, it was hot. Okay, now it's somewhat bearable. Then that's when you put this in, cup it. What it does is the poison that released from the mosquito bite dissolve best at little warm temperature. Little hot actually. Okay, it goes away. I can feel it. It's no more itching. I can leave it there for like a 5 to 10 seconds. I got this tip from one old gentleman when I was playing golf, and I actually tried it right away, same afternoon, because while I'm playing 18 holes, I had like at least 3 to 4 mosquito bites. So we tried right away. After the 18 hole, it worked the best. Yes, instantly you can see that disappearing just from your eyes. Okay, still hot. After 2 spoons, I'll be fine. Well, thank you for watching. Just want to share this home remedy with everybody. All it takes is what? A couple of spoons and boiling hot water. Thank you. Bye-bye.